In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write text vertically in Illustrator. If you've ever wanted to create a design with text that reads from top to bottom instead of the usual horizontal layout, Illustrator makes that very simple. This can be especially useful for posters, packaging, editorial layouts, or any design where you want a more stylized text arrangement. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can do it yourself in just a moment. First, open your Illustrator document. You can use an existing file you're already working on, or start with a new document if you just want to practice. The important thing is to have your artboard ready, since that's where you'll place the vertical text. Next, go to the toolbar and select the Type tool. You can also press the letter T on your keyboard as a shortcut, which is a quick way to access it. This is the standard tool used for creating text in Illustrator. Now, instead of clicking right away, click and hold on the Type tool in the toolbar. When you do that, a small menu will appear showing additional text tool options. Illustrator groups related tools together, so this is where you'll find the version designed specifically for vertical text. From that menu, choose the vertical Type tool. This tool works similarly to the regular Type tool, but it formats your text so that it flows vertically rather than horizontally. It's a simple switch, but it makes a big difference in how your text is placed and read in your design. Once you've selected the vertical Type tool, click on your artboard where you want the text to appear. Try to click in a spot that gives you enough room to see the text clearly as you type. Placement can always be adjusted later, but starting in a clean open area makes the process easier. Then start typing. As you type, you'll see the text appear vertically on the artboard. This allows you to create a clean top-to-bottom text layout without manually rotating individual letters or adjusting them one by one. It's much faster and more accurate to use the proper text tool for this. And that's it. That's how you write text vertically in Illustrator. Once your text is in place, you can continue editing it just like any other text object by changing the font, size, spacing, and color to match your design. With just a few clicks, you can add a vertical text effect that looks polished and professional.